Hello everyone, this is Tongrun Nano-technology. Today let's talk about the nano-silver powder. Silver nanoparticles are black powder. It combines the properties of nanomaterials and the element silver. It has high surface activity and catalytic performance. Because of its good electrical conductivity, silver nanoparticles play an important role in the field of microelectronics. The surface effect and quantum effect of nano-silver powder qualify some special applications, such as surface-enhanced Raman applications, medical applications, and so on. Silver nanoparticles have antibacterial properties, which is a safe material, has been widely used in tableware and baby products. Many baby bottles contain silver nanoparticles. This provides a healthy guarantee for the safe diet of babies. Nano-silver has a strong ability to repair and regenerate in the medical applications. It can promote wound healing, promotes the repair and the regeneration of damaged cells. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory will improving the microcirculation around the wound. Effectively activity and promotes the growth of the cells. Accelerate the healing of the wound, reduce the forming of the scar. Okay, that's what we're gonna share today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.